Hi, I'm Michael Vandenberg. Everyone is talking about AI agents. I've analyzed AI transformation across banking and other industries, and I don't believe organizations have an AI problem. They have a decision problem. In the next 5 minutes, I will show you how I analyze a traditional credit process and redesign it into an agentic workflow. One pattern keeps repeating itself. Every organization has AI pilots. Every organization has copilot. Every organization has a budget, but the process is still the same. People still work the same way. Decisions are still made the same way. Lead times are still the same way. The technology works, the operator model doesn't. Here's a traditional credit process. The customer waits, the employee waits, risk waits, operation waits, the manager approves, the customer calls. Now ask yourself one question. Who actually owns the end-to-end decision? Nobody. Every delay is another customer lost. That's why my first question is always, show me where your organization makes decisions. Because AI doesn't automate processes, it automates decisions inside processes. That's exactly where the decision sprint begins. Not with AI, not with technology, but with the business decision that determines speed, quality, and business value. Using your own processes, your own deal flow, and your own organization to redesign how those decisions are made before introducing AI where it creates the greatest impact. Let's walk through one example. This example, for a lease company, starts with the typical borrower intake. In many organizations, information is still collected across emails, documents, and disconnected systems before anyone can make a credit decision. Here, the entire journey is redesigned into one continuous workflow, from intake to a credit-ready memorandum. Instead of long application forms, the system captures the essentials conversationally. But the key is actually not the chat. It's what happens underneath. Everything is structured in real time into something the credit team can use immediately. This stage is where most time is lost today, reviewing documents, extracting numbers, validating inputs. Here, that entire step is automated: classification, extraction, and validation. And the output is already structured for underwriting. Let's run the credit review automatically. Instead of building the credit view manually, the system assembles a structured assessment instantly. You get risk signals, strength, and conditions, already framed for decisioning. So by this point, the memo is essentially already written. Let's run the assessment automatically. This is the output: a lender-ready credit memo. Structured, consistent, and ready for review. What normally takes hours or days is now prepared in minutes. And more importantly, it's consistent across every deal. Technology doesn't transform organizations. Better decisions do. This walkthrough showed how a traditional leasing process can be redesigned into an agentic workflow. But the same thinking applies to underwriting, claims, onboarding, customer service, and any other decision-intensive business process. Every transformation starts with understanding where business value is created and where it leaks away. That's exactly what the Decision Sprint is designed to uncover. If you'd like to explore the frameworks behind this approach, you will find additional resources and playbooks in the description below.